Hey YouTube, Sensi Go 101. I tried to fix that heat shield noise, or at least what I thought it was. I found some rusted heat shields, but I'm going to try and replicate the noise. It's about 1700 RPM, and when you give it some throttle, it has a really weird squeal. We'll see if you can hear it here in a second. That little squeal. Now sometimes it sounds like it's coming from the intake, and then other times it seems like it's coming from the accessory belt side. Yeah, that sounded like intake, but just not sure what's causing it. But yeah, thought I'd run it by you guys. Hit me up in the comments if you've ever had anything like that. This does have the throttle body spacer in a takeda intake. Thanks guys. Peace.